In this question, we have a contingency table showing the responses of employees and the age groups. For the first question here, we're looking for the probability that an employee selected does not approve. So does not approve will be 1 minus the probability of those that approve. And those that approve here is 63 over 221. So 1 minus that will be the probability of those that did not approve. Now, in the 25 to 40 age group and disapproved. So in the 25 to 40 age group and disapproved. So we're looking for the intersection of those two. So we're looking at 22 divided by the total 221. In C was not in this age group and disapproved. So those that are not in the 25 to 40 age group are these and those, but and disapproved. So we're looking for those that disapprove there. So we're looking at the intersection of those. So that would be the 36 plus 39 and that divided by 221. So here we are to report the answers to 4 decimal places. In part D, was in the 20 to 40 age group or was indifferent. So we just need everything that is captured there, which will be all those values, or we can use the addition rule there. Using the addition rule, which is P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So here we will have 52 plus 61 minus 12, and that divided by 221. And that will give us the answer. Was not in the 25 to 40 age group. So these people are not in that age group, and these are also not in that age group. Or was indifferent. So indifferent are these people over here. So again, we need everything that is pretty much captured in all these. And the only two values that are not captured are 18 and 22 here. So to make things go faster, we can just subtract those numbers from 221, the total, and then divide by 221, and that will give us that probability there. In F, was not 25 to 40 and did not approve. So was not 25 to 40, that would be this age group and that age group, and did not approve. And did not approve will be either that they disapprove or they were indifferent. And because we want and here, we're going to add up all the intersections there. So 36 plus 26 plus 39 plus 23, all those divided by 221. For number 2 here, given that an employee was in the over 40 age group, so we're only narrowing everything to this over 40 age group. What is the probability that the employee disapproved? So we're saying in this group, what proportion disapproved? So that's just going to be 39 out of the over 40 age group, which is 90. So again, out of the over 40 age group, what is the probability that an employee was not indifferent? So again, out of this over 40 age group, what is the probability that an employee was not indifferent? If they're not indifferent, they either approve or disapproved. So we're looking at 28 plus 39 divided by 90 there. And then in number 3 here, what is the probability of selecting an employee that was in the 25 to 40 age group from a group of employees that disapproved? So out of the employees that disapproved, we're looking for someone between 25 and 40. So we have 22 of them here. So the probability will be 22 out of 97. So again, we're looking for someone between 25 to 40 from a group of those that did not disapprove. So if they did not disapprove, they either approved or were indifferent. Out of these two groups, we're looking for the proportion of those that are between 25 and 40. So we see that intersection there. So out of the total there, the total for approved and indifferent is 63 plus 61. So out of those, we find 18 plus 12 between 25 and 40. That's going to be the answer to that one.